Hello friends, welcome to CodeMeta channel. In this video we will talk about CRPF. What is the full form of CRPF and abbreviations? CRPF stand for Central Reverse Police Force. This is the first full form of CRPF. Other full form we will talk about the end of the video. What is the role of CRPF? CRPF is the largest central armed police force in India and work under Ministry of Home Affairs of the Government of India. The goal of force is maintaining law and order in their ter- territory, crowd and rate control to counter Naxal operation, protection of VIPs, to provide security during elections in sensitive areas like Kashmir and other cities where we have uh, large crime and unregulated peoples who don't care about uh, regulations of India and do not understand what is the process of elections, and they want to destroy that election process and do something mishappenings or unusual things in the crowd, and to support armed force during war times like 71 and others, and to monitor the environmental degradation and protect the local floral and fauna, to conduct rescue and relief operations during nature climates like flood and related things where we got lost of peoples or government things. If we talk about qualification physical standard for CRPF, this is 10 plus 2. Candidate must have 10 plus 2 degree from any board of university. Minimum age should be 20 year and height will be 153 centimeter for person who is male 153 centimeter, and female height will be 140.5 centimeter to complete the exam or to complete the physical test. Male chest is 74.5 centimeter. Okay, now if we talk about CRPF selection process, CRPF selection process is physical written test, then physical measurement phase, then physical efficiency round, then proper medical test, and then you will get final merit list. If you see, all are physical test, so you candidate must have fit in physical process. Now it's a time to other CRPF forums. Other CRPF forum is Christopher Review Paralysis Foundation. Second one is Cancer Research and Prevention Foundation. Third one is Central Railway Police Force. Fourth one is Child Research and Practice Forum. Fifth is Closed Reduction and Pre- Precutaneous Fixation. You can pause the video and write on your book or copy all names. So you have total 7 names for your GK knowledge regarding the CRPF forums. Next is What is CodeMeta channel? On the CodeMeta channel, you will get web development tutorials like React, GraphQL, Mongo, etc. You will get full forum and GK question answer, news on different topics, question answer which you will ask for us or mostly asked by people on web and child education tips. To get more videos from us, subscribe the CodeMeta channel on YouTube or mail us or write your comment in comment box. See you in next video. Meanwhile, please like, share and subscribe the video. Click on red subscribe button to get more videos from us. See you in next video.